Hey guys, it's Heavenly. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Today, I have Arby's fries, McDonald's cheeseburger, and an Arby's new mint milkshake, guys. The whipped cream is a little melting, and it's already melting, so I gotta hurry up with this. My background is a little different. That's because they are doing stuff out there. Sorry, I'm a little out of breath. I gotta go. In my house, when we come in, this is a garage, and then we have to come all the way up these long stairs. So that's why I'm out of breath. Let me see my mom coming up and giving me the food. Alright, guys. Cheers. We're gonna pray so we can get all this in my mouth. God is good. God is great. Bless the meal I'm about to receive. I'm blessed the hands that made it in Jesus' name. Amen. Oh my God. Oh my God. I know I might be looking, but there's nobody in this room. Mom, would you like to try my milkshake?
No, thank you.
Okay. This is so good, guys. Okay. So we got curly fries. I got this little table in my room, so there's like not that much room for me, and I'm a little low. So this is a cheeseburger. What the heck? 1, 2, 3. This is so good, guys. Sorry for the in the background. The reason why you guys are like, I don't know, that's such a little meal. It's a mukbang. Cause I got a bag. I went to Walmart and I gathered a bunch of stuff up, and it's a little bag of secret stuff, and toys to show. I kind of got some milkshake under my nail. Hurt my nail. Doesn't that make your mouth water? I know if you guys are wondering, how come you're wearing the same thing, the head, whatever it's called. I forgot what these things are called. But I know you guys are like, Heavenly, you're wearing the same one. No, the last one I was wearing in my last video was thick. I have 2 different kind of white. So this one is like a thin one, and the other one was a white one, like a thick one. So that's the difference, guys. Not wearing the same one. Get some of that fries. Arby's fries. I mean, you don't have to have ketchup. That's what I think. Some people think you need ketchup with Arby's fries. No, I don't think so. I can't wait to go on this bag, a secret. And there's like crushed up mint candy at the bottom. Not like hard candy, like chocolate candy. Guys, fun fact of the day about me. I love peppermint patties. Those are my #1 favorite candy, mint candies. Peppermint patty, guys. Fun fact you learn about me today. Oh, that was too much mustard. Ayo. They put mustard in my burger. I just realized that. Ew. It's okay. Wow, this is so good. Yes, I sanitize everything. So no worries, guys. I sanitize everything before I do it. Let's do ASMR. I'm sorry, the noise is like... Guys, I'm not an ASMR professional. I'm a mukbang professional. No, Alright, we have a lot to open, so let's get on with that. I'm sorry. Well, see you later. And this is right there. Save that for later. That is not going away from me. Good. We're gonna need a scissor. Yeah, we want to talk about, it was literally closed at McDonald's. They literally had a line going around the whole restaurant or whatever. I guess you could call it a restaurant. But yeah, let's get into the secret bag. Oh, you can see some stuff. Alright guys, I'm just gonna close my eyes, shake it up, and I'm gonna pick. I picked this. Alright. Oh, it's like a pizza and it's like miniature and it's a secret slime. So, this is it. Get it for your kid's birthday, for Christmas, for Easter. Do it. I never had this, but this is my first time trying it. And guys, if you guys are going to buy it for your kids, I'm going to show you how good it is. Because, honey, I'm going to tell you something. I don't lie when it comes to toys. If it's bad, I'm going to be like, it's bad. But if it's good, I'm like, it's good. Okay, let's open this. So it looks like we have a jar of pizza sauce right there. Then, it looks like lime juice right there in that can. And then slice of pizza with our full pizza. Looks like we got a pizza box. Guys, you see a pizza box, right? Watch it be a paper. Just like really. And then I guess we have our pizza scooper right there. And we got a slice of pizza taken out. So guys, let's open it and let's see if it's really good. Alright, how do I open? How the freak do I open this? Okay. Guys, safety. Do not do what I'm doing. Oh, wait, hold on. Oh. You don't give me instructions. You don't. Oh snap! You don't show how you're freaking supposed to open this. Oh, now it wants to open. Now the tape must come off. No, you're not gonna come off no more. I'm ripping this damn box. Oh my god. I was about to fall. So, I'm sitting on my little chair that we put in our living room. So, I might just fall in the middle of this video. Okay. Come on, just come out! Just freaking come out. Huh? Just come. Uh-oh. Oh. Wait, no. Oh, that's it. Okay, so I'm gonna act like that never happened. So this is the slime that it comes with. It comes with like a little container, and this is the slime packet that it comes with. I'm not paying attention to that right now. I'm gonna see this little stuff, guys. If you guys have a Barbie dream house, this is totally great for your Barbie dream house. It's actually a pizza box. And you could take the... Don't tell me you could open this pizza box. If you could open up this pizza box, you could open up the pizza box. Oh, they just went next level. They just went next level. Yes. This is so cute. Okay, I'm just gonna take... Okay. I'm gonna just take everything out and I'm gonna review it. Everything? Okay. Alright, so we got a little pizza. It's so cute. You guys want some pepperoni pizza? It's gonna be a long video, so grab your snack and sit down. There's a little slice of pizza. We got our pizza sauce. My camera's not. The whole baguette just came out. So we got our freaking bread that feels like a gummy that you can eat it, but it's actually a baguette. There's your baguette. Your baguette. This is your pizza scooper. It's so cute. Guys, this is definitely for Barbie, guys. If your kid has a Barbie dream house, buy them this, because at the store it came with the breakfast taco, but I had to get the pizza. Then this is like a lime drink soda. And look at the details on that. Focus. Focus. I know. He's just focusing on my beauty. Focus. Okay, it's not having it. Alright, guys. This is gonna get lost. So we got a little soda, a little pizza. I thought it was stay together. Let's put our pizza in a little box. There. We gotta be cute like that. Let me scoop. What? Okay, let's scoop up our pizza. Scoop up our pizza. And scoop up our pizza. Boy! We're gonna scoop our pizza. Let's scoop up our pizza. I'm gonna just put you on it. This is not my day. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna give this an 8. An 8 because you can't actually pick up your pizza. Oh, nah, but it's upside down. And I give it, I'm gonna actually give it a 10 because it's so realistic, guys. Like, look at the details on that. And it comes with the box. It's so cute, guys. This definitely, you could definitely put this in your Barbie dream house, guys. I really recommend it. Get it for your kids. But you can't really get the pizza, like the pizza on a pizza scooper. That's the only problem I have with this. But other than that, it's really good, guys. Definitely buy it for your kid. I really recommend it. Pizzas are not on. Now we're gonna open up our toy. So it's like sugar cookies and fruits and candy. So let's open it up. I think I got like cheese, some type of cheese, because it's like pizza. It's either cheese. It looks like cheese or pepperoni. What? And this. Oh yeah. No. So this is what they give you: a piece of rubber. That's what they give you. They give you a piece of rubber. Look how stretchy my slime is. Oh my god, this is the best. Guys, I don't even want to stay together. No, don't get this. Throw the slime away when your kid opens it. Your kid is opening like, boom, and throw it. Cause the slime is literally freaking rubber. It's the instructions said put it on a pizza. I'm not putting this on a pizza. Cause look, guys. Look how stretchy the slime is in here. This is rubber. No, this is rubber. Next slime. So that slime just got me mad. All right. This is the mini brand, guys. I literally been dying for this, guys. It's mini brands, and what it is, it's a like. Let's say you buy yogurt. It's a miniature for your Barbie doll house. And I had to get it. I don't have a Barbie house, but you know, your girl gotta get it. Guys, this was $5 for this little thing, guys. Okay. So let's open it. I come with 5 of them in it. Guys, do not do this at home. I'm being so unsafe. Mom, can you please open up this mini brand? Because this girl is not trying to open for me. Thank you. So here my mom comes. She's going to open this because this is not having it. Thank you. Yeah. I can't get that open. I think that's going to be it after this one because it's going on 18 minutes. Oh, she's actually having one. And guys, these mini brands, sometimes they come with like little shopping carts inside of it. And it's like, it's every brand in a miniature version. Like cakes and a little miniature version. Oh my god, you got it? Thank you so much. Thank you, Mom. So this is how it looks. It looks like an orange. Then you're going to pull this little tab. And this is it. Thank you, Mom. And this is it, guys. It literally looks like a freaking orange. You should trick your kid and be like, hey, Bobby, do you want orange? It's orange. Alright guys, let's open it. Okay, so this is it. And there's this little tab you're going to pull. So so cute, guys. So this is gonna be it. And there's mad, like a lot of stuff that you can get. It's not focusing. But it's basically like a body wash. And guys, you can't see it, but it's like, it comes with like the ingredients. Guys, this is so cute, guys. Definitely put that in your Barbie shower. And like, I don't know. And there's one in each little orange. That's the next one. That's the first one. Let's move on to the next one. That is so cute, guys. And that's the little tab you're gonna pull again. Do that. Okay. Oh my god. It says like it just came out. But the ones that are in the bags are really popular. Like, that is adorable. The details are amazing. So I guess this is like a little bottle of something. And this is really cute, guys. You could definitely put this in your Barbie house. And, you know, like, put it in your Barbie house. Like, I'm going to put it on. Oh, my God. I thought you could open it. I'm like, oh, my God. Can you? No, you can't. But, like, you could put it on your sundae. You could put it on your hot dog. It could be a strawberry cream. Like, I'm going to put some ketchup on my hot dog. I don't know, guys. This is so cute. Next one. This is a big one. Is all of them like this? No, this one's a really big one, guys. Look at this. This is how it normally, this is big. Okay. Usually the big ones come with the shopping ones or a really popular one. Oh my god, look at it. But guys, I'm going to show you the rare ones that you can get. The golden ones. This is the golden ones that you could get. And like, see guys, this is what I mean. Like little stuff like that. And you can look. It's a little butter shaving cream. Oh my god, you gotta be kidding me. Oh my god, guys. This is so cute. Guys, this is so cute. It's a little bottle of shaving cream. They come with a little tab, but they don't work. They're just plastic. Yeah. Next one. I really like that one. This is really cute. Next one. Guys, it's a little bag of lollipops. You guys are not going to be able to see that. But it's lollipops. I could clearly see it's lollipops. And it comes with 300 of them. Different flavors. But guys, it's just foam, guys. They're all fake. Next one is so cute. Crap. Okay. Next one. This is another big one. Oh my god. Yay! Oh my god. Guys, I know you're like, really? But guys, you guys don't understand how bad I've been wanting it. So guys, I have a little cart. Like I said, you guys, you could get carts. So here's the instructions. My god. Okay. So first you got your little wheels on here. Then it says, right? Wait. Huh? Oh, here it is. This is part. Okay. Then you're gonna hook it onto this. You guys are making your own cart. It's like a store you're building. You're customizing your own, I guess, store. And then once you get that part in, put the railings, whatever, in. Is this the right way? What? Okay. This is the right way. Okay. Oh, okay. I see what we're doing. Okay. Girl, I'm snapping already. You're really gonna get on my nerves. You're on my last one already. Ah! I'm gonna end the video here because I'm getting frustrated with this. Okay, guys, it's going on 25 minutes. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment down below what other videos you do. Bye.